There is a hidden Wi-Fi menu on your Samsung phone that you never knew about. It is one of the most feature-packed menus and you can access it through the connectivity labs. If you have the One UI 8 update, then you can get the intelligent Wi-Fi 8 as well. So let's dive into it. Let's show you how it's done. To access it, you need to go into your settings and then into connections. Once you're into connections, tap on Wi-Fi. And once you're inside Wi-Fi, tap on these three dots on the top right corner. Then you will see intelligent Wi-Fi. Press it and scroll down. You can see this intelligent Wi-Fi at the bottom. This is where you need to tap 7 times precisely to unlock the connectivity labs. This is a hidden menu and you unlock it once you tap 7 times on it. Now you have unlocked connectivity labs. Once inside connectivity labs, this is where all of the magic happens. It's packed with feature. It gives you loads of information about your connection and your Wi-Fi. You'll love it if you're in IT. You can see the usage reports, which Wi-Fi connections you have been connected to, which bands you have used, and what type of Wi-Fis you have used. It also gives information about unused Wi-Fis and unsecured Wi-Fis as well. One of its best feature is the home Wi-Fi inspection, and it checks your router and your configuration, your setup. It's very helpful if you're facing issues with your Wi-Fi or you're moving into a new home and you need to set up your Wi-Fi. You need to press start and then you can select which Wi-Fi you're using, then press next, and then it will tell you how is your connection configured. Next, you can see where the signal strength is, basically where the weak spots are and where the signals are the best. So this is a very cool feature of Samsung Wi-Fi settings and I bet you never knew about it. I hope you do like these type of tutorials. Do follow me if you're into meaningful tech content.